In this lesson, I will walk you through the motivational LinkedIn activist. So to get started, we will use the prompt AAA9 backslash AAA9. Here we go. There are two placeholders here, and those will be the ones you have in your text base. So the first one is backslash context. Backslash context. Second one will be the audience placeholder, so it's backslash audience. You should have prepared those in the text base lesson. Okay, all right, here we go. So now we can run the prompt. So as you can see, ChatGPT has created some pretty interesting posts here. They will be divided by the next post. So I like this one. Success in AI is not about coding skills, but understanding your problems and finding smart solutions. Here's my top 3. Tool selection, incremental implementation. That's actually super helpful. So those posts will be very actionable again, because those are the posts that will get the most engagement, because they actually help someone, they actually deliver value, which also makes you more valuable. So people will also come to pay you later. So yeah, just go through them, see which ones you like. You can just always regenerate response if you just want to create more. It's all about creating a lot and just filtering out the best stuff. And now I will see you in the next lesson where we look into listicles. People's attention spans are super, super short. So listicles are always a great way to get your audience engaged, because it is super easy to skim very, very concise, condensed information. So now we will use a prompt that will create lit listicles for LinkedIn for us. Li, that's a song, right? For that, we will use text-based command AAA10. AAA10. Sometimes we have to redo it. That's life, you know. So, okay, here we go. Again, we will just paste our pre-saved context in here, backslash context, and the audience, which will be backslash audience. Right, so now let's run the prompt. Be sure to be in ChatGPT 4 like always. And this should create posts that are just listicles for you. Those are great for LinkedIn. So let's just wait until it's finished. So I like this one, 10 insights from using psychedelic for solopreneurship. You can play around with your audience background and your context. So if you don't want it to talk about certain topics that you sometimes talk about, just take them out of the context block. And this one would be a good start for a nice post. The last line isn't the perfect one, but it gives you a really, really good body of text, and you can definitely build a cool post from that. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and let's get into the slides next. So the carousel LinkedIn posts. So let's go. See you in there. We've all seen posts like this, carousel posts on LinkedIn. They work super well, get a ton of engagement. And in this lesson, we will have a look at how we can create those inside ChatGPT way, way faster. So let's get going here. We open up a new chat. We are in ChatGPT 4 like always, and we will use the text-based command AAA11. Now you have to fill out the topic you want to talk about. For me, it's going to be, let's do something different. It's going to be micro dosing for solopreneurs. And you got to scroll down a little bit to find those two placeholders. So insert your context here with using backslash context, and also your audience with backslash audience, you might have guessed. All right, so let's start this prompt now. And it should output you this table. And each table is a slide you have to create inside a tool like Canva, where you can create the graphics. This is super helpful because it will actually tell you what to put on each slide. So this is just a huge time saver. And it learned from other popular LinkedIn carousels, so it knows about the formatting. So you just have to take the output of this table and then go into your tool of your choice to create the actual slides. And I love this one. I love LinkedIn carousels, and I'm excited to see your results on LinkedIn. So see you there.